Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Trina, the owner and creator behind Diamonds and Dust. Today kicks off our 12 days of Christmas tutorials. I am super excited to show you guys what I have planned. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel and also join my Diamonds and Dust Facebook group with the link in the description. We will be doing daily prizes and giveaways over there. Let's get started on our first cup. We are going to cut out our pattern. I used my pattern vinyl from one of my past designer boxes. They usually come with 2 pattern vinyls and 3 coordinating glitters, but this tutorial I'm just going to be using one of the patterns. When I cut the template out, I removed the top half and I'm just going to be working with the bottom half of the template. I'm just going to fold back about 1/2 inch and cut a little bit of the backing off, and then I'm going to line this up on my cup where I want it. You can place this a little bit lower and fold that vinyl around the bottom rim, but this time I chose to leave a little bit more than 1/4 inch gap at the bottom. I'm going to tack that down and make sure it lines up perfectly on the edges before I remove the backing. Now that you have that lined up perfectly, you're just going to fold a little bit more of that backing back and then tack down your pattern vinyl. If you've seen me do this before, I just kind of take my hand and push right there on that crease until the backing releases from the pattern vinyl all the way around. And if you line this up right, then your pattern should be matching up correctly. I am going to take some painter's tape and tape off that first wave of patterned vinyl, and then I'm going to take some chalk paint and paint a light pink faded into a white. If you don't like chalk paint like me, spray paint will work just fine. Now tape off the bottom part of the pattern vinyl where we left that small ledge of stainless steel, and we're going to paint the base and the ledge. Once your paint is all dry, mix up a couple milliliters of epoxy and apply it to the top and the bottom where we have it painted. And then we are going to ombre sugarberry down into the color frosting. And how I do this is I just start with the main color and add a rim at the top, and then I'll take the frosting color and add a solid rim at the bottom. And then holding your cup at a 45-degree angle, I will just go back and forth, tapping the jar, letting the glitter cascade down, and making a soft blend. Once you have your top section all ombre'd, we're going to take the glitter color Gumdrop and place that around the bottom rim and on the base of the cup. We're going to let this epoxy cure for a couple hours before we move on to the next step. I forgot to tell you guys this before, but while your epoxy is still wet on your cup, you're going to want to remove that painter's tape. Then we are going to move on and we're going to base coat these stainless steel sections with the same mint color of paint as we did on the bottom. Once that paint is all dry, you're going to take some sort of glue. I like to use Color Flex's glitter glue. I just like the consistency, but you can also use Mod Podge. And we're going to go in sections because glue dries a lot faster than epoxy. And we're just going to paint a small section and then sprinkle the glitter on and continue until both sections have glitter on them all the way around. Once your glue has completely dried, you're going to want to spray seal this cup really well. And then once your spray sealer is dry, you can add a coat of epoxy until smooth. Now I cut out some stripes in the same wave pattern as the template in like a rose gold color, and how I made the stripes is all I did was a small offset on the pattern and then cut the top off. I just kind of made a box around it and then removed the middle sections, and it left you with the stripes in the same shape as the template on the tumbler. Only working with one of the stripes at a time, starting at the very top, I'm going to follow the exact shape and pattern of the template and wrap that all the way around my cup. At the bottom here, I decided to try 2 stripes at a time, and it worked just as well. So do it at your own skill level because it can get a little tricky, but it worked just fine. But you're going to continue adding the stripes until you have them around each glitter section. You're also going to add your decal. I did not record this part, but I chose Where the Treetops Glisten, which is a hand lettering file from my shop. And then when that is all finished, you're going to add epoxy until your cup is smooth. And here is our first tumbler tutorial, all finished from our 12 days of Christmas. A link of all products used will be down in the description, including the vinyl template that I used. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe. Look for me on all other social media platforms under Diamonds and Dust. And thanks so much for watching.